in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install the iOS or iPadOS 16 public beta. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first of all, you want to go to this website right here, beta.apple.com. And then once you're on this page, click sign up or sign in, depending if you're a member or not. And then after that, after you sign in, you'll be in this page right here, a guide for public betas and all that stuff. So now what you want to do over here is just click on iOS or iPadOS. So I'm currently on iPadOS, so I'm just going to select iPadOS. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click on enroll your iPad. Just click that button. And then after that, just click on download profile, just like that. And then just click on allow, close. And then after you've downloaded the profile, just go to settings. And it might say profile downloaded or more for your iPad or iPhone. Then just click view profile, click install, enter your passcode. So now here is a message from Apple. And just click install. And now it is recommended to go ahead and restart your device. You can if you want to, but I'm just going to restart for now. So after that's done, swipe up to unlock and enter your passcode, if you have one obviously. Then after that, go launch settings again, and then you can go to software update and you'll see the public beta, iPadOS 16 public beta. After you do that, you can just click download and install, enter your passcode. And after I've done that, you'll see the terms and conditions like always. Then just click on agree. Click on the agree button once again. And as you can see, update requested. And right over here, I'm just going to go ahead and start a timer to see, stopwatch to see how long it takes. So just going to click start and see how long it takes to download it. So I'll just speed this part up because it's going to take a long time. I might speed it up 20 times or something like that. But yeah, this entire process will maybe take 15, 30 or about 15 minutes or about 15 minutes, because when I usually update my devices, it will take about 15 minutes. It says about 3 minutes remaining, but I don't think that's going to happen, but never mind. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and wait and I'll speed this up. Oh yeah, so also something that you might want to do over here right now is just go to display and brightness and turn auto lock to never just for now. You can change that later, and yeah. Okay guys, so I think that I should cut it right over here, because when I'm editing the video, it might take very long to upload it onto the editing software. So just cut it right now. And then after this, when it's nearly done, I'll start recording again. And I'll show you how long it takes and show you guys the next steps. And then after that, it'll start preparing the update. So guys, as you can see, the process is nearly done. I'm just going to quickly show you how long it took. It took 16 minutes and 54 seconds. So I should say this process will take around 15 to 20 minutes. And the entire process will take around 25 to 45 minutes. But usually it will take around 20 to 30 minutes. So yeah, so as you can see, it's right there. It's so close to finishing. It's right there. So I'll just speed this part up because it's not gonna take very long, and then it's just gonna finish. So yeah, so we are all done finally, and now you'll see the button change from download to install now. So that took around 20 minutes, and we're just gonna click on install. right now in 3, 2, 1, install. Okay, so just gonna click install, and then it will verify the update, and it'll reboot your device, and yeah, and it'll just install your update. So yeah, verifying update. You see that right there. So this will take around. Yep, there we go. It will take around 30 seconds. So right over here is where the Apple logo will appear. Oh, okay, well, yep, that's where the Apple logo will appear, guys. So, and then you can see, there we go. That's where it actually installs the update onto your device. So this process will take a while. I'm just going to tell you guys that it will take about 10 to 15 minutes again. Actually, it won't take that long. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes, actually. And I'm just going to cut the video right now, and I'll be back when this process is almost done. Or maybe done, I don't know. So, yeah, it depends. Okay, so now the first round just ended, and now this is the second time it's going to do this. So, yeah. Okay, so we should be on iOS 16 right now. The process is done, so enter your passcode. And as you can see, software update complete. And just click continue. Okay, so it's just loading right over there. This shouldn't take too long. It'll take, okay, there we go. No, it should take about, okay, there we go, done. Set up later. Not now. Continue, I guess. Don't share. Get started, and we are on the new iOS 16. So we should, yep, there we go. We are on, okay, yeah, there we go. We are now on iOS 16. Now, there's also something else I want to show you guys. Is this feedback app, right? And also, there's a new weather app right over there. So if you go to the feedback app, just go ahead and sign in. But right over here, don't click on the video, the feedback app. Use this app to show, tell Apple the bugs and stuff, because they don't look at social media and all of that stuff. To see the bugs, you just do it through the feedback app. Let's change our wallpaper. Oops. Let's choose, let's find our new wallpaper. And then after that, we can just click this. I do like perspective zoom. I'm just going to do set both. And we got the new iOS 16 wallpaper as well. And there we go. So, yeah. That's iOS 16 here, guys. You can see just like that. And yeah, we're on iOS 16 now. So thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.